Welcome to Mahamani English. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of economics, exploring how supply and demand are shaping two very different industries. First, we will look at Surat, the heart of India's diamond industry, where a strategic pause in production is making waves globally. Then we will shift gears to the impact of the ongoing heat wave on air conditioner sales, highlighting how extreme weather is driving demand and straining supply chains. So stay tuned as we uncover the challenges and strategies these industries are using to navigate uncertain times.
Kiran Gems, a major diamond firm, has declared a 10-day vacation. The company is not relieving any of its employees, even as the markets are weak due to global factors.
Surat, the sparkling heart of India's diamond industry, it's facing an unprecedented challenge. Kiran James, the world's largest manufacturer of natural diamonds, has announced a 10-day holiday for its 50,000 employees from 17 August to 27th of August. The diamond business is going through a bad patch. There is no worldwide market for polished diamonds right now. Global market for polished diamonds has been shrinking, impacted by the Russia-Ukraine conflict, economic recession, and restrictions on diamonds of Russia origin by the US and G7 nations. For the first time in its history, Kiran James has decided to halt production to control supply and stabilize prices. Despite this break, all employees will receive their salaries. Jagdish Kund said, the local diamond sector processing 90% of the world's diamonds has seen a significant revenue drop from Rs 2,25,000 crore in 2022 to Rs 1,50,000 crore today. This strategic move aims to revive the diamond market by adjusting the supply, hoping to increase demand and prices in the long run. Just like in agriculture, where supply and demand dynamics are ever present and changing, strategic decisions can significantly impact probability. Farmers choose what to grow and when to sell based on crop rotation, prices, and global conditions. Kylie Burke said, farmers usually make decisions on what to grow based on crop rotation and prices. When it comes to selling, they consider the need to raise money to pay off loans and pre-buy seeds and inputs. Top producers think long-term considering local, national, and global factors. Weather, political events, and market conditions all influence supply and demand, shaping the prices received for their products. We are looking at the supply-demand impacts for both inputs and crop pricing and volatility, pretty much 12 to 36 months out. The trend haven't changed, but volatility has.
In India, recording its highest ever temperatures.
Temperatures in parts of northern India hit a blistering 48 degrees Celsius.
There's a new solution to bring relief, at least indoors: air conditioners.
The ongoing heat wave has led to record air conditioner sales reflecting a year-on-year growth of 50%. However, companies like Godrej Appliances, Hair, and Superplustronics are experiencing a demand-supply mismatch due to the unprecedented heat wave. Kamal Nandi said the domestic AC market could have reached